Go look at that. I was expecting to see a mouse nest in there.
No, it had been replaced before it sat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. All right.
Not too bad.
That's what I'm looking for. Oil doesn't look bad.
No. It's where it should be.
Yep. And it's actually pretty clean.
Yeah.
Alright. So, we've cleaned up all the grounds. We've got a good battery in it. Everything should be copacetic. Turn that key. Go ahead. All the grounds are cleaned up. Should have good contact now. There it is. All right. Go for it. Yep.
All right, here we go.
Alright, welcome back to the Mustang Rescue video series. We've made a little bit of progress since last week, and we'll continue to bring you updates as we're making them. So, pulled all the spark plugs, let the Marvel Mist Oil do its thing for a week. Had to replace the oil pressure sending unit because it was spewing out oil for some reason. The old one was, and it was useless, so there's that. Replaced the coil and did confirm that we were getting spark out of it. So the next thing we're going to do here is see if we can't fire this thing up for the first time in 30 years. One other thing, I had to pull the carburetor. The butterfly valve was completely seized up, but she's nice and free now. The accelerator pumps are moving as they should. So that should put us in a little better situation. Let's see what we get out of it. Alright, we'll reconnect the battery. Let's see, give her a little shot of car cleaner. Alright, contact. Oh, what's happening here? Alright, give her a shot. Yes, sir. We have a runner. Alright. Okay. Go for it. All right, try it again. She runs, she idles. All right, go for it. runs through the fuel in the bowl when I pour it down there. But so walking around the back of the car here, we were ejecting some debris from the exhaust. Something was living in there. Yep, shot it all the way to the back of the garage. Neat. We went ahead and grabbed a set of 14-inch wheels with tires already on them just to have a roller here. They hold air, they suffice for now. Started cleaning up the interior a bit. Seats definitely look a little better after our initial wipe down. They'll take a little more scrubbing to get them right, but it's all there.